So as you can see, we have chickens, and with chickens can come a little bit of odor. And so we got this Coop odor eliminator. So thank you to the company for sending us this to try out. So this is a really great product for kind of helping neutralize some of those odors and also absorb some extra moisture if you get a little bit too wet inside their bedding, things like that. This is a great option for laying down to kind of help absorb some of that. This Coop odor eliminator has no fragrance to it. It will help neutralize the ammonia smell, and there are no harsh ingredients. This odor eliminator is really great for pens and coops to kind of help keep that ammonia smell down, but it's not just for chickens. You can also use it for other types of animals in animal cages to kind of help eliminate some of that animal odor. We've been using it in our coop and our pens for a while, and it really does help kind of keep that smell down.